Scholarship money doesn't arrive as a family payment. A program pays your school directly, and nothing links it to an invoice. This page does. In the sidebar, under Administration, click Billing. Along the tabs, click Program Deposits. Family Checkout and Auto Pay record themselves. This page is for money a program sends directly. The line at the top is the whole ask, $5,275 across 2 deposits, not yet recorded. Your dashboard nudges you with the same number. One of them arrived without a recognizable student name. It is still listed. Every deposit is, whether or not we can guess who it's for. A payout you can't see is a payout you'll never chase. Here it is, $2,000, $1,275 still to record, no name attached. You match it by amount and date, or you leave it alone if it isn't program money. The other one came from Odyssey with its metadata intact. The student's name and the program are right there on charge. So Pearspark pre-picks the student and asks you to confirm rather than deciding for you. A wrong guess recorded silently is how the wrong child gets credited. Liam's invoices are already settled because his award was credited up front and his family only ever paid the difference. So the choice left is the honest one. Scholarship credited up front, no invoice. The amount is pre-filled with what's left. Split it across several invoices if you need to. The deposit stays listed until it's fully recorded. Click Record Payment. Recorded in full, so it drops off. What's left is exactly what still needs a person, the one that arrived with no name. Every payout accounted for, none of them silently missed. Try it free at Pearspark.com.